once again, this is me, Teacher Abby, and welcome to another lesson about confusing words. So, when I was teaching English, I always encounter situations wherein the students are confused because they have to use words that are similar with each other. So today, I will be teaching you 3 words that are often confused by people. These are the words during, for, and while. These 3 words have something in common. They all talk about time and event. However, what are the differences? It lies in one thing: the pattern when used in sentences. First, the word during. What is during? It means to state something when something happened. And the pattern that we use here is during plus noun. For example, I was sleepy during class. During plus noun. Class is obviously our noun in that sentence. Another example would be this: he visited Korea during spring vacation. Obviously, visited Korea during plus noun, spring vacation is obviously our noun in this sentence. So again, we must follow that pattern whenever we use the word during. During plus noun. And that is how we use that word. Okay, for our second word, which is for, it is also used to talk about time. However, it is talking about how long something happened. We are talking about the duration, the length of time. For example, I will love you forever. How long? Forever. Another example would be, he has worked here for 5 years. How long? 5 years. So, if during is during plus noun, for is followed by also noun. However, it is talking about the length of time that something happened. And for our third and final example, we have the word while. What is the difference? While is used when we are talking about 2 things that are happening at the same time. And the pattern is like this: while plus subject and verb. While plus SV. Okay, for example, while I was watching TV, my mom asked me to clean my room. While plus I was watching TV, I is your subject, was watching is your verb. Another example for this word would be, for example, please sit down while I tell you something. While plus subject and verb. I is our subject and tell is our verb. So again, that is the difference of how you use the word while compared to the other 2. Just like that, we have once again arrived to the end of this lesson. But before I go, I would just like to remind you of a few things. Again, when we use during, it is followed by a noun. During plus noun. And for the word for, it is followed by the length of time. For example, for 5 years. And for while, it is followed with a subject and a verb. While plus SV. Okay, I hope you took note of that, and the next time that you would use these words, I hope that you would be able to use them correctly. Okay, see you again soon. Bye-bye.